Today we're featuring a 2015 Mazda 3. It's got 18,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. It's black metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it does have the turn signals in the mirrors. Got your lock unlock button in the door handles. Alright, it does have sunroof. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle here. We do notice that it has a backup camera along with your Sky Active technology. Everything looks pretty good on the exterior of this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels, nice red stitching through here, carbon fiber trim, with the power locks, power windows, Bose audio. It does have black leather power driver's seat, perforated inserts, the nice red trim. Driver's seat leather's in great shape. It does have a keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good as well. No problems there. Let me go ahead and pan out, give you a shot of the sunroof. Alright. It is an automatic. Climate control center there. Got dual climate controls, heated seats. There's your screen display right there with the backup camera and navigation. I'll show you that in a second. It does have the leather wrapped steering wheel with the red stitching, carbon fiber trim. It's got your paddle shifters as well as your collision alert here, steering wheel audio and Bluetooth. All right, it also has your blind spot monitoring and lane collision or lane departure. All right, let's go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, it's got 18,082 miles on it. It's also got heads-up display, and I'll try to get a shot of this for you. But this little visor actually comes up, okay, and you can actually see your speedometer, collision alert right there, a couple other things in that heads-up display. I can't get much further on it or it kind of goes away, but you can see that little shield that comes up, that little visor that comes up. It actually reflects off of that. Okay, really nice little feature there. All right, it is equipped with navigation. Go ahead and engage backup camera. Like I said earlier, it does have the heated seats. Got your dual climate controls. And then this is your control panel here. So to get back to the home screen, you hit that home button there. It takes you to your home screen. Okay, and then you got the knob that you can turn. That actually cycles through the different options. So you've got settings, navigation, communication, entertainment, and applications. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at one thing to mention. AC blowing really cold. It's only been on for a few minutes. It's already blowing cold, so no issues there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat and the trunk. Go ahead and pop the trunk here. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Leather back here is in good shape. It does have the cup holder console that comes down. All right, and just a small little scratch right there in the leather. Another one here, and another one there. It's just a small scratch, not a rip straight through, but just a scratch in the leather. Let's go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Everything looks really good. Take a look in the trunk. Carpet back here is in good shape. And I'll step to the side, but this thing just goes forever back there. A ton of storage room back here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. What size we got here? 18-inch alloys, okay. Almost a brand new set of tires, plenty of tread left on them. All right, just to recap, it's a 2015 Mazda 3. It's got 18,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. It's in really good shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.